Hi, I'm Joe Colella with Traffic Safety Projects. When certification first began in the late 1990s, we had to figure out different techniques for using different technologies. And one of those technologies was the switchable retractor. One of the problems we kept running into, and people still run into today, is using a switchable retractor to install a rear-facing only car seat. Sometimes the car seat ends up lopsided. Well, there are certain techniques that we can use to make it so that doesn't happen, and you don't always need a locking clip. Come outside with me and I'll show you.
Many technicians and parents install a rear-facing car seat by first buckling in the base and then immediately switching the retractor. They remove the slack that they can, check the base for movement, and then continue tightening. As they remove additional slack, the tension on the shoulder belt that's already locked lifts up on one side of the base. The left side shown here is tight against the vehicle seat, while the right side is suspended above the vehicle seat. This is the lopsided installation I referred to earlier. The certification curriculum has addressed this installation issue in different ways over the years, and it has given us hints on what to do when we cannot make the installation work. Usually, however, we can make the installation work, and that's without a locking clip and without changing the seating position. This makes it easier for parents to follow the instructions and install the car seat perfectly every time. So here's a technique. First, buckle the base in, but do not switch the retractor yet. Push down where the baby's bottom will be and push the base back against the vehicle seat. Remove the slack by pulling the unlocked shoulder belt outward or downward. And while holding the belt in that tight position, switch the retractor to the locked mode. Then feed the excess belt fully into it. Let's go through the steps one more time. You start with the retractor in the ELR mode. Number 1, buckle the belt, but do not switch the retractor. Number 2, push down on the base or in the carrier where the child's bottom will be, and push back against the vehicle seat back. Number 3, pull the belt out, not up, or even better, pull it down to fully tighten it. Once it's tight, hold the belt in that tight position and use your other hand to switch the retractor. After the retractor is switched, allow the extra belt or even feed it into the locked retractor, and then check the base for tightness.